Hello, my name is Paola Arias, and I am from Palmira Valle. I study at the UNAD University, and I am doing this task 1 course recognition for the course teaching English for specific purposes. I'm going to start with a self-introduction. My name is Paola Arias. I am 32 years old. I live in Palmira, Valle del Cauca. My cell phone number is 316-381-4042. I am in 8th semester. My email account is p.ariasr@unad.edu.co. My expectations of this course are, first, to be able to apply what I learned in my professional life, and second, to extend my knowledge. I'm going to answer some questions that were assigned by the tutor. Number 1, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? Okay. I have a TOEFL certification, but I have also read about ESL and ESP and others. So I would love to be able to manage all these other concepts perfectly in order to extend my knowledge. With this, I could be able to find a challenging job which requires one of these skills. Number 2, question, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competencies? I believe I have read about the topic before in other subjects, but they didn't have a great scope to it. So I think that getting to know this topic better will definitely help me in the future. Being able to teach English for different needs and not just as usual. Number 3, according to the course contents, what are the 2 subjects that I like the most and why? I would say that I like analyzing needs and competence for designing an ESP course and syllabus design for teaching an ESP course. The first one because getting to know all the needs and how to create a course based on it will really guide me through this new topic and will be useful for me in the future. The second, because creating a syllabus that focuses on a specific teaching need is really useful and challenging. Number 4, according to the course presentation, what ESP courses would be useful and more needed in Colombia? I believe an important ESP course to apply in Colombia would be English for General Academic Purposes, EGAP, and English for Specific Academic Purposes, ESAP. Because our country needs to focus on offering quality education for all, and English is an important subject that must be treated as is. I don't agree with the way it has been taught in schools up to now, which is only using grammar-focused translation methods, but nothing that really helps the students to face the real world or to be prepared in a future situation such as a job offer or an opportunity to live abroad, among others. Number 5, what ESP course have you taken in the past? I haven't taken any. I have taken a TOEFL course, although I have taught private classes without knowing much of ESP, but applying it to my lessons. This because students have had to travel within a few time and needed to learn how to communicate with others in this language. So what I did was to focus on meaningful vocabulary, dialogues, and others like inside a restaurant, a hotel, the airport, or store. Thank you very much.